Hey guys, welcome to our new video. So today we are changing angel eye bulb of 3 series 328 2011 model. So to do this, first we have to remove the tire, so which we already did, and now you have to open these 8 mm screw, 3 on this side, 1 2 and 3, and one is over there and one is over there, and that's 10 mm. So let's open it up. So once you open that fender lining, we have a angel eye bulb and this one. So there is a wire over there. You can just pull it up and just push upward like this to unlock that one, and you can remove it. So as you can see, that's our angel eye bulb, which we are going to replace because our is fused, right? So just unplug from that side. There are 2 screws over there. One is on that side and another one is on other side. That one is T15. So T15 bit you can use on these one to untighten them. So here is the bit. We have it, and we can just give me a second. Yeah. So same thing you can do on the other side. So after removing this bulb, these bolts, you can just pull it out. You have to apply a little bit of force. Here you go. That's our angel eye bulb, as you can see. Yeah, there you go. So let's change it. So we are replacing it with that one. That's the exact same fit for that car, which we got it from Amazon, and that's the company called IJDM Toy Lightning. So that's the LED, and that's a regular bulb. So we are upgrading to LED, and that's a straight fit. You have to just put it back and tighten the screw over there. So let's do it. And that light come with a decoder, so that your BMW doesn't throw any code in your cluster, right? So once we are done with the screw, we can put these one in this, right? And that goes to direct power supply, and that's a decoder. So sometimes you have to just flip it, these one, because if you put in this one and it doesn't light up, just try to change on the other side, such as positive and negative. Just change these one and it will light up for sure. So as you can see, I just switch positive and negative and put it together, and see, that's the final result. That's how they are lighting up. So just tighten this connection and put it everything back. So once you are done with plugging all the connection, you can put it that cover back and pull that wire down, and so that in that way it get locked. So now we can put our fender lining back the way we opened, and that's how you can change your angel eye headlight bulb for BMW. That's the final result. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, guys, and please comment down